Hey you guys, it's Shannon Rose, and in today's video, I am going to be doing a summer edition thrift store try-on haul. Okay, so how this happened is, for those of you guys that don't know, I recently had my breast implants taken out, and so my body shape has changed significantly, and a lot of my clothes no longer fit me properly, and so I needed to get some new clothes. But as you guys know, I am trying to live a more sustainable lifestyle and not contribute to so much fast fashion. And one of the ways that I do that is by shopping at thrift stores or secondhand. And one of my all-time favorite places to thrift is actually an app called ThredUp. And it is the world's largest online thrift store. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below. If you guys wanna get an additional 30% off, go ahead and use that link and use my code Shannon. So every day they get like thousands of new arrivals in. They have some of my favorite name brand clothing companies that I love, and they're just like fully stocked with like such good pieces. And so I'm just gonna start out with the one that I'm wearing right now. This is actually a Free People dress, and I love Free People, but I would never buy it brand new just because it's too expensive for me. So this is the thing, I want to buy clothes that aren't expensive, but I also want them to last really long. And so that's why I like being able to buy name brand clothes that I know are made really well. And a lot of times when clothes are made really well, they're more expensive. So that's why one of the reasons I love thrifting is because I can get them at like amazing deals. Like some of the name brand clothes they have are like up to 90% off, which is like insane. And so it's really fun because it's like treasure hunting. It's almost like a game, and it's just so fun for me. I absolutely love it. So I am in today's video gonna show you guys all of the pieces that I got when I made my order. So I'm gonna go through with you and show you guys, and I'm actually gonna open it up so I can tell you. Okay, so for instance, this Free People dress is originally $128. I got this, you guys are not gonna believe how much I got this for. I got this Free People dress for $35.99, and I'm just like, it makes me so happy. I'm like, oh my gosh, I saved so much money and I have an amazing dress. I love it. I'm gonna wear it all the time. And I know I'm doing like good for the environment. I'm not perfect by any means, but this is a way, like a small way you can contribute to, you know, being more eco-friendly by shopping secondhand and save a ton of money. It's like why wouldn't you do it? And by the way, I'm gonna leave a link down below, and the company was nice enough to give me a code and sponsor today's video, so thank you so much to ThredUp. But yeah, the code will be down below, so you guys can get a discount code on top of getting just amazing deals on that app anyways. So this is probably one of my favorites, but I'll show you some more because there's some more really cute stuff. Okay, the next thing is this other Free People. This is supposed to be a blouse, you guys, but on me, I'm so short that like everything fits me as a dress, which I love because I'm like, I don't have to wear pants or shorts with this. It's just so much easier. This is so comfortable, so cute. Again, this is a Free People blouse. Okay, again, originally this is $128. I actually got this for $67.99. So another amazing deal on ThredUp. You guys, Free People's a very pricey brand, and to be able to like find, this is like a score, you know? I got two, actually no, I got more than 2 Free People items. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you the other ones. Okay, the next item that I got was this really cute, very comfy little casual romper. This is from Sea Gypsies. It was originally $71 and I got it for $24.99. Next up is this adorable denim Zara romper. Very lightweight, so perfect for spring and summertime. It's very soft and comfortable. This was originally $48 and I got it for 46% off, so I got it at $28.99. This is just so comfortable. I think it'd be such a cute little outfit to wear for like holidays like 4th of July. You can like dress it up with like a little headscarf or something, some cute little sandals, some strappy sandals. I don't know, I just thought this was really cute, so I'm happy about that. Okay, so the next thing I got was this little piece from Nasty Gal. This is originally $60. You guys, I got this for $10.99, which is such a score. I loved the color of it. Just like a very casual, comfy little dress that you can wear. Again, I'm very short, so it is a dress on me, but if you were taller, you could wear like shorts with this or even leggings, so I thought that was nice. Next up is this very cute little slinky casual dress. This is also from Free People. I thought it was really cute. It has this little blingy bow on the back. This is a size small. This actually didn't fit me the best, but the great thing about ThredUp is that they have a very easy return policy. So if for some reason you order something and you're like, oh, this doesn't fit me, or you know, I don't really like it that much, they make returns very easy. So I really love their return policy. So this is what this looks like. Again, I didn't try this on because you could see a lot of my little boobies popping out, but yeah, super cute. You could wear this as like a t-shirt and put like a little bandeau underneath it, so that would be pretty cute with some like jean shorts or something. But just on my body shape, it fit kind of funny, and my like side boob was popping out a little bit too much. I have stopped wearing deodorant. I've like transitioned to like full hippie boho mama, and when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have this. This is so beautiful. I just like pictured myself doing like photo shoots in this dress, and I just thought it was so beautiful. This is a Voom by Joy Han. It was originally $95, and let me see, how much did I get it for? $18.99. Oh my gosh, $18.99, you guys, for this dress. Are you freaking kidding me? This is such a tragedy. It doesn't fit me. It's an extra small, and I'm not an extra small right now. I'm going through fertility. I've gained a little bit of weight, so I'm actually gonna hold on to this though, because I'm hoping that, you know, once I do lose a little bit of weight, it'll fit me. And so I'm very happy with this piece, and I thought it was really beautiful. I did put it on a little bit, but the zipper wouldn't zip up, so that way you guys get a little bit of an idea of what it looks like. But this is so beautiful, and again, this is like a treasure that I found, and it's just like a one of a kind. I'm just so excited about it. And then last but not least, I got this really cute like taupe, earthy toned little tank top. I don't know what the material is on this. It almost feels like a suede. Well, it's polyester, so it's definitely cruelty-free and vegan, but it doesn't feel like it. It feels just very well made. This is a piece from Very J, and I got it in a size small. It fits me really great, and I absolutely love it. This is why I get so excited about thrifting. This is originally a $60 shirt. I got it for $5.99. So this is how you score amazing deals. This is my secret recipe to saving a lot of money and to thrifting, especially right now with everything going on. Maybe you feel a little bit more comfortable thrifting online than you would in person at the shops and touching everything. So yeah, this is a great way. Again, I'm gonna leave a link down below where you guys can sign up if you're not already signed up on ThredUp. And also there will be a discount code, so definitely use that. Again, a huge thanks to ThredUp for sponsoring this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. What was your favorite piece out of this whole haul? I am sending you guys all my love and all my positive energy, and hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.